My name is Jacob.
And I'm Amy.
And today we will be teaching you how to replace the dew point sensor on the ACG.
The dew point sensor in the ACG needs to be swapped out every 2 years as the unit cannot be calibrated. If you require a new dew point sensor, please get in touch with Analox and we should be able to help you out with a quote or a brand new one.
The first thing you need to do is remove the terminal from the PCB. Then, either using a 30mm spanner or an adjustable spanner, slacken the sensor from the thread. Once it has been slackened, you'll be able to unscrew it by hand.
You must be very careful when removing the sensor as it's very fragile and you don't want to damage it. Once the sensor is removed, you can then pull the cable from the back of the sensor. With the replacement sensor, put the cable back onto the end of it and screw it back into the housing.
Screw the sensor in by hand once again and then tighten it up with the spanner. Finally, reconnect the terminal to the PCB. The ACG should not require recalibration after this process unless you have replaced other sensors as well.
Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been useful to you.
For any more useful information, additional links and any extra FAQs, check the link in the description below.
Please don't hesitate to contact customer support for any other information or any other issues that you have.